Hello and welcome, it's Pamela here. Thank you so much for joining me. A few of you might remember a little while back I started on this Art by Marlene journal. It's actually 4 journals in this kind of folio. It's called the Rainbow Journal, but you get 4 books inside that have got watercolor paper, and then as you saw you get the one at the front with just lined ordinary paper. I started the first one and I started using the Artsy Arabia and created this like art journaling page. These parts are sticking up, so I put them on where the book folds, so we'll have to sort those out. I'll just cut them out with a craft knife and stick them back. But that was the only page I've done so far. I kind of procrastinated on it. But I really want to get this collection used up. I got 2 of the different paper element books that have all got elements from the Artsy Arabia theme, and they're all really gorgeous. You get like lanterns, camels, Arabian style buildings in there, and they're so bright and colourful. That was a quick flick through even of one of them, and here's a quick flick through of the second. You get 2 of each set of elements, so you've got plenty to choose from in these books. But as I said, I've got so much left of it. I really wanted to get on and use it. I've got this sophisticated selection from collection even from Art by Marlene as well. So I just wanted to get this used up and as much as I can, and yeah, just get on with completing some of these journals. So I've kind of pulled the collection out. I've pulled out a few different Dylusions paints because they're really lovely and bright. And in this video, I am going to be working on completing a set of backgrounds on the pages in this journal. There aren't too many pages in here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one's already done. 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. But I think on some of them I'll do double pages, and just so I can get more of the elements used, I'll do single pages as well. So I've pulled everything out that I'm going to use. I've got a few different stencils from the Art by Marlene collection. I'll just, sorry about the glare, but I'll just show you a quick look at the stencils I'm going to use as well to build up the backgrounds. And I want to make it as quick and as easy and as straightforward as possible. So I've just chosen a few sets of paint colors, and just show you, these are from Marlene's World, but also Art by Marlene stencils. So I'll probably use maybe some of the larger patterns on the stencils, and I might use some, I might not use all of them, definitely use some of them. I've also pulled out a darkroom door stencil here with the stars on. Just thought that might also be nice in the background. So if you're familiar with Dylusions paints, I've chosen them just because they're really bright. But if you're familiar with them, you have your cool tones, warm tones, and then you've got kind of neutral tones. So I'm going to be sticking with the same sets, maybe taking one out and putting another in, but I think they all go with the elements that I'm going to be using. So all of my backgrounds will be some combination of these colours. And just always get asked, and just really to save me having to spend loads of time editing, I will just quickly read out the names. So from the neutral, you've got Desert Sand and This is actually a shimmer paint, this one. This is Crushed Grape. From the warm colours, you've got Mango Punch, Tropical Sangria, and Fiery Sunset. And then from the cool colours, which are like yellows, blues and greens, I'll be using from any of these four, which are Islands Parrot, Sour Apple Teeny, Blue Lagoon, and another shimmer paint that I might use is London Blue. So I just wanted to give you a quick intro of what I plan to do. I'm going to use also what I learned from Diane Reevely, who created the Dylusion paints, is the baby wipe technique. I think it'd be a great way to just get all my backgrounds done really quickly and easily. So I'm going to play some music and fast forward all of this while I try to quickly get all my backgrounds done so I can work on the fun part of collaging all the elements onto my pages. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. Take care until next time. Bye bye.